something, it could be nothing. All those whispers in my head. I don't know much, but I know enough to read into what you've said. I keep looking for a problem, but end up causing one instead. And all the noise that I'm hearing must be a feeling from those voices in my head. Slow down, you're racing, running yourself into the ground. Calm down, stop pacing, am I lost?